Hi, this is Charles Chucky Ben, and you are now tuned into Take 101.
How do you go about approaching reputable actors to help you make your movie?
I'm Pauline Long and you're watching Take 101.
My name is Lancelot Oduwai Mason. I'm a Nollywood filmmaker. You're watching Take 101.
You know why I'm laughing? People want to ask, what is this Mumu doing on Take 101? Most people don't know that we even understand English or went to school or we are educated. Most people feel once you're acting comedy, you are an idiot, you didn't go to school, you cannot speak English, you can't do anything else. My name is Charles Awurum. I'm an actor, producer, director in Nollywood, and I'm on Take 101. Yeah, the factors that affect or motivate actors doing acting is, first of all, when they are acting with people who are not supposed to be there, it will give them a bad motivation. It will not make them act well because so many things go wrong during productions of movie. You act in an environment you're not free with. You act in a very small place when you should have movements or whatever. You act with people, you're not free with people who cannot deliver as you're delivering. Because what is happening in the movie industry now in Nigeria is sickening. Most people put in people because they pay to act a role. People pay a lot of money to get cast in movies. They are not even good. They can't do anything. They can't act. You will see somebody who is not an actor. Before you become an actor, you have to be talented. Excuse me. You have to be very talented to be an actor because it's not a thing for everybody. So when you are cast with somebody who could not carry the character very well, you have problem. And when you're in an environment that do not suit what you're doing, you have problem. And when you have a director who do not even know what he's doing, because at times the director will say, Charles Awurum, you know now, make we shoot. He can't even tell you what to do, can't tell you you're wrong, can't tell you you're right, because he does not know. He does not know. If he knows, he will tell you, okay, let's take it this way, or let's take it that way. He does not know. He just answers director because he wants to, be a director and girls will follow, money will come, whatever will go. So that is not it. Things should be put into place. People who are directors should be directors. People who are actors should be actors. People who are costumiers should be good costumiers. People who are makeup artists should be good makeup artists. When a makeup artist makes you up and it does not fit the character you're playing, you feel bad. And it will not give you the encouragement to give what you want. The costume is not good. The director does not know what he's doing. Everything goes wrong. No. How much you're paid does not make you get the best performance or not act well. Because as an actor, no matter what you're paid, your own is to act very. If I take 10 naira now to act a movie, I'll give my best because that movie will bring me some other movies. You not tell somebody who's calling me for a different movie, this is what he was paid, that was why he didn't act well. This is what I was paid, that was why I didn't act well. I will not be there to explain to him. He wants to see me as an actor, and if I carried my role very well. So what I am paid, what people are paid, actors are paid, should not make them not do well in acting. How artists act their own values when they see the script. You read the script. A script is not what it is until you put life to it. And in putting life to it, you have to bring your own ability, add to it, and make it life, make it what the character is supposed to be. If you're playing a drunk, and the script writes, this person is a drunk, in this place he has to do this, you will look at it, you visualize the character, you look back to those drunks you've seen before, see how they play it, now put it. The director or the scriptwriter will not tell you how to play it. He will just tell you this person, this, that. So how you motivate yourself, how you put yourself into that character tells what that character is. It tells the people what they are watching. If he's a drunk, if he's a madman, is whatever. So you have to, in every production you do, you have to put life into it, and that is why you have to put the right person to act characters, to act roles. Because if an actor is acting role, he will know what he will do to make people watch it well and make people like it.
Hey, come.
Drop that wallet, this criminal.
Are you don't have the wallet?
How can someone pick his pocket?
Drop this wallet, it's not yours.
This wallet is not mine.
It's not yours.
You see me, I've been walking up and down looking for my wallet. Huh?
This wallet does not belong to you.
This wallet!
So very good. If you say that this wallet belongs to you, how much is inside the wallet?
Yes, tell us how much you keep inside.
There is money in this wallet.
How much?
Okay, there is 10. Wait. I spent some money there.
Okay,
there's money in this wallet.
Okay, let's see the money. No matter any amount, let's see the money inside.
You want to see the money?
Let's see the money.
Hey.
How much is inside?
How much is inside the wallet?
How much is inside this wallet?
Tell us, just tell
How
us.
much is inside? Let's see the money inside.
Inside the wallet?
Yes.
I will show you.
Show us the money.
Okay, if there's money inside this pocket, what will I do to you?
Kill us.
I'll kill you.
Kill us.
I'll kill you.
Okay.
We shall see. I'll open it. Wallet can resemble wallet too. Hey! This book is nothing like my wallet I've been looking for.
Drop the wallet. Drop the wallet.
Keep that wallet.
Welcome to Benelux Media, your TV and film production company. We produce TV programs such as Take 101 and Show for Africa. We produce such films as Forget the Pact and Phantom of Fury. Are you looking to produce documentaries, adverts, trailers, jingles, promos? Benelux Media will take care of your production line. contact Benelux Media on 0207 998 0930. That's 0207 998 0930. Or we can be viewed on the website at www.beneluxmedia.com. You can email us at studio@beneluxmedia.com. And bear in mind, you can follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube on Benelux Media.
A very good actor or somebody who calls them an actor should be happy about retakes. And we should. Because whatever you present, you not tell the public if it's not good, it is not good. The director is doing this for your own good. Because what comes out is you. What people see about you is what you present on the tube. So when you are shooting and the director calls for cut, let's take it again, you should be happy because you've done some mistakes. And at times, we the actors will say, director, please cut. Because we realize that we've gone where we didn't want to go. For it to be good, there has to be cut and retakes for your own good. Lead or minor roles does not really matter. What matters is how you deliver. I am not so mad about lead. I'm not so mad about minor. Once you give me a script, even if it's one scene, I put my best to it. Because that one scene will bring me a bigger role tomorrow or something, a contract that is not. So how you present yourself, how you play your role, your character, no matter how small, no matter how big, is what matters. Is big role, lead roles, is a two-scene role, it is minor role. Even there was a time in Imo State when we were shooting a soap. We were the big characters there. There was one guy who never said anything. He was a bodyguard. Just stood behind his guy like that till the film and the soap ended. Somewhere in the town, some people came in from the US and they watched that. They say, all of us who played lead role, nobody was invited. That guy that never said anything was invited and would have been taken to US for a good movie. But the problem was that he could not speak English. That was what killed him. So the way you take your character, the way you take your role is what matters, not the amount or the amount of scenes you play. Yeah. A director in the first place will give you time to act what you're giving in your own way and he watches it. Because there must be something you have in you that you want to put in that character. But it's not always good to completely leave the actor. You must at least come in to say this, put that. And it's not always good to just say, take it the director's way. Because there might be something you have the director did not know at that time. But when you bring it out, you say, check if it is good. If it's not good, he will tell you, okay. But if it's good, he tell take it. You take it. As a fool or as an idiot, there must be a sense in whatever you do. There must be a little sense. And that thing could be a contribution to a better production.